Hello there, this is Eric. This morning we're going to talk about the anatomy of taste. When you heard the word taste, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Oh yeah, the tongue. And when you see the tongue, that's a good picture. When you see the tongue, you'll find that it's full of taste buds. Okay, so what are taste buds? They are sensory structures that detect taste. Most of them are specialized portions of the tongue, and they're called papillae. And here's an interesting point. Okay, children have more papillae than adults, and this is kind of wild, and probably that's the reason why many people say that children taste more food than other people. At the nursing home where I work at, um, many many residents they don't taste food, which means that they don't have as much taste buds. Um, that was just an FYI there thing there. Anyways, there are four types of taste buds. Okay, filiform, Bajate, Felicity, and Fujiform. We're gonna analyze all of them. Okay, all those four types. Let's start with filiform. They have filament shape. They kind of look like grass, if you can see it right here. And they are the most abundant of all, actually. And you can see them pretty much everywhere here. But there's one thing here. They are not taste buds. Okay, you don't taste the deliciousness of life through them. The reason why they are there is to support and stabilize. Okay, the Ballate papilla, they have an interesting shape. They look like they are surrounded by a wall, as you can see here. They are very big, and these buds are actually for tasting, and they have a V shape on the posterior part of the tongue. They're kind of like right here. Can you guys see the V? And like I say, they are the biggest one we have on the back side. That was pretty cool. Now the next one are the fungiform papilla, and like it says there, they look like mushrooms, and they're also bad taste. They're pretty cool looking. Yeah, you can find them around this area. They're pretty nice. And last but not least, you have the foliate papilla, and they look like a leaf, as you can see here. And these buds are considered to be very, very sensitive. Actually, they are more sensitive than any other papilla. You see, they have a lot of taste buds all over the place. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So now we have that area, we have the tongue, but what about the connection between our brain and the taste buds? Okay, well, we have three main nerves that connects the buds with the brain. Okay, the first one is the chorda tympani, and it carries sensation from the anterior two-thirds of the tongue. There's a picture right here, and this one is the nerve. Okay, as you guys can see, it connects to the solitary tract. Here's the brain stem. Okay, and I'll go all the way up to the thalamus. That's the first one. chorda tympani nerve. Okay. The second one is the glossopharyngeal nerve, and this one carries sensation from the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. So it's right here, all the way back here. Goes back up there to the solitary tract nucleus again, and goes up there. And the last one is the vagus nerve, and this one carries sensations from the epiglottis, and you can see the vagus nerves here, and it kind of goes like that. And it's an interesting place where it's located. Yeah, it's, you will be surprised. You just wonder what kind of a signal it gives to the brain. Anyways, we have the thalamus, which is the one that receives all the information, which is kind of going up there. And we have the taste area of the cortex, which is the last part of it is the last part where all the information of the taste gets processed. So just giving a small background, you have these three nerves that connects to the solitary tract nucleus, which takes information to the thalamus and finish on the taste area of the cortex. So that's the anatomy of taste. Hope you guys are having a tasteful day. I'll see you guys around.